everybody, Alex here from Expert Forex, and in today's video we're making it easier and better for you to use the daily scalper. We have now got 4 versions that you can download, and you can test these versions for free for the next couple of days, but this will expire pretty quickly. So let's go and have a look at the changes that have been made. So this was a video that I made a few days ago launching the free test of the new Expert Forex Daily Scalper, and why we're so excited about this is that the Daily Scalper has been the basis of how I've been making $5,000 every couple of weeks in the last few months. So there are 2 main changes that have been made, and they've been made both on the MT4 version and on the MT5 version. And the first one is because these settings are so robust and that there have been no losing trades for at least a year trading this strategy, we have created black box versions. In other words, somebody with no trading experience, a total beginner, or a trader who just wants to make money without any fuss can now use this black box version. It's only 2 settings that they've got to enter, and they can enjoy the same results. Then the other change we've made is we've introduced swap options to the full version. The full version has all the settings. So there are 2 versions. There's a black box version and there's a full version. And the full version, we've introduced swap charge options. So we'll look at that in a little bit more detail. Here we are on the Expert Forex Daily Scalper page. And as I've said, there's never been any losing days. And here we are at the new swap fee settings, and how they apply is you can have positive swap fees and negative swap fees. If you only want to trade positive swap fees, you can decide whether you want swap fee management, and if you want swap fee management, then you have to answer 2 more questions. So it's either yes, I want to use swap fee management, or no, I don't. If you do, it says, all right, do you want to apply swap fee management to all the trades, or do you only want it to apply where triple swap fees are charged in certain days? And you can then select those. And how that works, the EA will only open trades in the direction that pays you swap fees and does not charge you swap fees. So that's a big change to the existing EA. And then the other one that we now have is the black box version. This is really fantastic because all you have to tell the EA is, firstly, how much money you want to use in your account. In this case, it's $1,000, and which pair you want to select. And this is a drop down. So you then go to the drop down, and there are the pairs: a Euro Pound, Euro USD, and USD Franc. There are the 3. So you select one of those, and that's all you have to do. The EA will go away and trade those currencies for you. That's why it's called a black box version. You don't have to worry about the settings whatsoever. Now, when this EA gets launched, it will be launched with 2 versions, the black box version and the full setting version. They come together, they are package deal. You get both of them at the same time. So now you have a lot of choices on how you can take advantage of this fantastic trading system that has a very high success rate. You can use the automated trading robot to scalp any currency, any metal, any index, any crypto instrument, if you are using the full method, or you could just use the black box method to do your own trading. So that's the one leg. Or if you want to go into our link to success service, you can then link to an account that is trading this system. And at the moment, the only account that we have is link 230CA, but we will be adding a whole lot of new ones in the next month or 2. So as always, links to anything mentioned in this video will be in the description of the video, as well as in the commentary of the video. So you can simply go down to our download page. You can either download the full version with the swap filter, or you can download the Blackbox version, or you can actually download both and test them both. Free testing of this EA will, however, stop on the 1st of March, so you don't have much time left. So from me, Alex Deploy, cheerio. Just a quick disclaimer, this video has been made as an educational, entertaining and informative video for its viewers. It is not personal advice, and what works for some traders might not work for you. Please consult your financial advisor before trading. Trading is very risky and you can lose all your capital. It is not a get-rich scheme. Past results do not guarantee future results. There is no guarantee of easy success or good results in Forex trading. You cannot achieve the same results in the future by simply copying strategies and settings used by other traders in the past.